I wanted to make a quick video on using a document camera to make videos. Some of you very much prefer using a whiteboard instead of doing a screencast. So one thing that you can do is just using a document camera, make videos that way. You can, I have seen people mount a camera on an articulated arm and do basically the same thing. I thought it was a lot easier just to get a document camera. It's called Ipevo is the name of the document camera, and you'll need a piece of software called Ipevo Visualizer. So you can just go to ipevo.com/software, or you can just go straight to the App Store and type in Visualizer, and it should be the first one that comes up, the one that just says Visualizer. So this is the software. If you are making a video using Visualizer, if you use their built-in software, which I'll do in a second, you won't see all this stuff on the side, but I wanted to show you for you to see what it looks like. One thing I will say is, depending on if it's the first time, everything should be automatic. They should reset all of these things, but sometimes, depending on, I've had people use it where you get these weird flashy line stuff, and this just has to do with the refresh rate. So if you see this weird crazy stuff, you can just click on here, click on 50, and it's gone. So you can adjust a whole bunch of things. I usually just don't touch it and just leave everything the way it is. So if you want to make a recording, again, you can use screencast, but the file sizes end up being bigger, and you see all this stuff around the edges. So it's easier just to go down here. The default is set to snapshot, so you can take a picture. So you just click on the next thing that says record. Before you do that, go up here to this little gear and go under, there's all sorts of things that you can change. You just go to recording, and the resolution will be pretty high. I just changed it to the lowest one. And then also I go to internal microphone. The microphone on your Mac is much better than the one on the document camera, so just click that on internal. So just lowest setting, internal microphone, done. And then you just click record. And then you have to choose where to put it before you start, which is a little strange. But so now we're recording, and you can see down here that it's recording. And you can just, your hand looks kind of giant on here, but it's just a way, instead of showing you in front of a whiteboard, unless you enjoy that, you can just go on here and write whatever you want. I've put worksheets under here and worked through the whole problem. I've put tests under here and worked through the whole problem, those kinds of things. So, so then when you're done, you just click stop. And then again, I'll show you where this is. I think it was this one. So you'll see that all the stuff on the side isn't there, it's just this. And you can turn the paper sideways so you don't see this is the desk and this is the paper. You can zoom in and focus and everything. So I just wanted to show that you can, instead of setting up a camera and standing in front of a whiteboard, you can use document camera. So if you have any questions, if you want to give it a try, please let me know and send me an email.